to see you. Where to now? Right leads to Random Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Good job. Great! That's perfect! That was off the rails! Super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash of the Steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it all. Great! Thanks a lot for your help. It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Where to now? Let's go to the big bridge. Left leads to Random Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Super! Excellent! Well done! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Lights out! Which way do you want to go? Steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash of the Steamworks.